Starting in October 2016, BMC Education Services Team rolled out a new delivery method called Assisted Self-Paced, or ASP, training. It has the conveniences of on-demand training coupled with focused instructor assistance, as well as virtual lab access. This course provides students a walkthrough of ASP trainings and features. It provides an introduction, video demonstrations, and examples of all the elements included in the ASP trainings, such as recorded instructor-led videos, digital training materials, virtual lab access, and instructor appointments. It also provides a detailed explanation on how to access labs. An ASP course includes 12 months access to the full course video recording from the date of registration, unlimited access to an ebook that includes course and lab content, yours to keep for learning and exam preparation, individual access to a virtual lab environment. This access is called lab time. The lab time is different per course and is defined in the course abstract. Lab time will be in one of two configurations, fixed or flexible. We will discuss this in depth in the next few slides. Focus time with an instructor that can be scheduled by appointment. Interactivity via our many product communities, giving students access to collective knowledge of BMC instructors, developers, and hundreds of other experienced professionals. The voucher is redeemable for 90 days after purchase. Once you have redeemed your voucher, you have 28 days to complete your lab. For example, customer receives virtual lab voucher that is valid for 90 days from issue date. Customer can redeem this voucher any time within 90 days. As soon as the voucher is redeemed, the 28-day access time starts. This access time includes weekends and public holidays. Customer can start the lab at any time within the access time, but the last time that the lab is used needs to be within the access time. Please note that the voucher validity, access, and lab time cannot be extended. The lab time is different per course, and this is defined by the course abstract. Lab time will be in one of two configurations, fixed or flexible. Flexible lab. Students have flexible lab time. They have a specific numbers of hours in which to use the lab. The hours are calculated by multiplying the course days into 6 hours. Suppose that the class is 5 days long. The student has a 30-hour lab runtime. 5 multiplied by 6. The student can use the lab runtime as they want. The lab time doesn't need to be used in consecutive days. Students can start and stop as many times as they want and can take breaks in between. Their last status will be always saved. The total lab time must be consumed within the portal access time. Fixed lab. Students have consecutive days of lab time. This means that once the lab is started, it will run for consecutive days. If the class is 5 days long, the student has 5 consecutive days of lab run time. Consecutive days are inclusive of weekends and holidays. This means that the lab time cannot be stopped, paused, or restarted. The consecutive days are started when the student clicks the Start Lab Now button in the ReadyTech portal.